In this part, we are going to talk about React Router, and since we are going to use the Bootstrap, so we have to go to the Bootstrap and copy the link of the CSS and also the JavaScript. So we copy the CSS and go to the public folders and go to the HTML, and then right after this link, we paste the CSS here, and according to the documentations, you have to paste the JavaScript right before the closing tag of the body. So we are going to copy this one and then go to the end of the body and paste it here. And then we go to the source folder. This time we are going to create the 3 components. So one is home.js, and we are going to use the figure. So we are going to install the figure.js, and then we back to the home. We add the class name equal to container, and inside the div we are going to create a header, and then we import the figure from figure, and then inside the paragraph we use the figure.lorem.paragraph. We go to create the other 2 components. One is about and the other is contact. And then we can go to the Bootstrap, and we see this is very similar to that we want, so we copy this one and we go to the left bar and paste it here. But we do not have the class, we just have the class name, and we just have the home, about, and also contact. And right here we type /home or /, and this is /about, and this is /contact, and we do not have the last button. And now we can go to the app.js, and then we delete the logo and also delete the rest of the code. And then we import the component. We need to install the React Router DOM, so we copy this one and then paste it here. And then we also need to import from React Router DOM. So we import the browser router as router, and then inside the, and then we need to use the router to wrap the app, and then inside the app we have to add the left bar component, and then at the route we have to add the path, and the component is equal to home, and then we duplicate these 2, and then this is about, and this is about, this is contact, and this is also contact. So we can take a look on the website, and you can see the home button, the about button, and also the contact, and you can see the home